If equipped, the video entertainment system includes a DVD player, video screen, 2 sets of headphones, and a 2-channel remote control stored behind the screen. You can play music from an MP3 player, connect video games, or watch movies from a video camera, all on the system monitor. You'll find an HDMI port and audio-video RCA jacks or AUX jacks on the left side behind the second-row seats. Use the touchscreen radio if equipped, or the remote control to access the main menu. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.